Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
MLA jong kaseng BJP, hak jo kapor bolong ru Menteri jong Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance, uba Alexander L. Heng. Ulai tu ba unsaya selok ba Menteri rang ba kejela, ukonrat ki sangma, halor ke jingkeno jong unoi lam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul sangma ba ke Sarkar NDA balai lam de ke BJP kala pensange ya ke Special Plan Assistant. Bad iki song penroy ki bawan na ke Sarkar Pedang na ke banta banthe iki kam penroy hak ni kathan chete lamingi. U Dr. Mukul sangma hak jingkendo di syasngi bad kilat patai kubor hak arterek mentau benar risau raja katpra. Ula keno ba ke Sarkar NDA kala pensange lot ya barok ki projek ban pentrekam lengba ke Ministry of Donors bad na ke NEC. Hak jingkren bad ke Batisi TV uba AL hak ulong ba ke jingkren jong Mukul sangma komunong ilam ke seng kongres kalong tang ke jingilam bakla ya ki paitba.
To verify the facts. If the special category status which has been there before for the state of Meghalaya, if we have cancelled, we have to tell the NDA government under the leadership of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi why we have to cancel it. That has to be continue with the special category status of the state. And also there's an allegation, or it may be true also, I don't know. They have stopped all the donors ministry scheme. They have stopped all the special scheme for the state of Meghalaya. That has to be verified. The fact if it has happened like that, then I have to tell our Honorable Chief Minister, the Conrad Sangma, will go together to the center why this is happening to the state of Meghalaya. We should get the maximum benefit. Now it is even here also is a part of the NDA-led government, MDA. If they have stopped the special facilities given to the state of Meghalaya, we have to tell the government, NDA government, they have to provide. I am not blaming anybody. It is a part of politics. Suppose you are not in the position, then we have to play the role of opposition. To find out the faults of the ruling party, the ruling who are there, the helms of affairs. So that is a part of politics. We had been to you also, have been to us also. We have to play that part. But me particularly, I will not play any allegation which is not correct. I'm not playing dirty politics. Whenever we do politics, we do it for the good cause of people, not just to play politics and just make the wild allegation or make the political allegation or only for political benefit. We are not going to do that. If you ask my personal case, for me, I will do the constructive if I am in the position or in the opposition, I'll play my constructive role only. We are not going to keep silent. If the allegation is true, which is told by the opposition leader, definitely we are going to take up with the government of India. Why he had to stop the special status category for Meghalaya and why they have to stop all the developmental scheme for the Meghalaya. And we are expecting that NDA government there, MDA government here, we are both our NDA partner. We should get more what we are getting before also. If it has been stopped, that is very wrong. We will have to take the delegation with the Chief Minister. We will tell the Prime Minister why this thing happening for the state of Meghalaya.